room smell like cigarettes. Now I know it's a night that I might forget. So I'ma shoot that ball with my eyes closed. So when we walk around the room, they all know. Yeah, they know. Yeah, they know. Yeah, my mama told me be home by the hour. I said sorry mama, I'ma have to hit you after me and I'm